All right, guys. This weekend is possibly the weekend that I will be getting the replacement for my B8S4 that I sold a couple of months back. It's a car that I've always wanted, and it's going to be a long drive. So we're planning to take the CC. So stay tuned for what the replacement car is. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, we made it home safely. It was a long 14-hour round trip drive. So the car is now tucked away in the garage, and we're gonna go and rest for the rest of the day. So I will be getting up early tomorrow morning to get the car cleaned up and show you guys what the replacement is. All right, guys, let's get this car cleaned up and show you guys what it is. Not this car, but the car right next to it. guys, so there it is, a B7 RS4 to replace my B8 S4. It was so much fun to drive this back home from SoCal. And not to say that I don't enjoy driving the B8 S4, but for some reason I feel like this car just feels so much different and it's so much more exciting to drive. Maybe because it's that V8 rumble. Let me know down below if you think this is a worthy replacement for the B8 S4. So it's already moderately modified to a certain extent, but I still want to put my own little taste to it and got actually a good amount of stuff that I want to do to it. So stay tuned for this build. Also, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel, follow my builds, and comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow. Thanks, guys.